Model 2016 Vauxhall Vivaro 2901.6 CDTI 115 L1H1. Body white, fridge. Mileage 152,904. MOT the 30th of April 2025. Engine 1598 cc 1.6115 PSE 5A. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: engine has seized from block damage. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.